Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want a clean professional logo in 2026 without hiring a designer, Canva makes it fast and beginner friendly. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to create a logo in Canva 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So what a Canva logo is: a Canva logo is a square or costume size design built with text, icons, and shapes. It's used for branding across platforms, exported as PNG or GPG or SVG. Okay, common uses: personal brand logo, for example, businesses logo, social media profile logo, okay, or websites header logo. Okay, so logos should be simple and recognizable. Okay, so log in into your account, click create. Okay, so in the search bar write logo and tap it. So you will open a square canvas. Okay, so on the left sidebar we have here templates. Okay, so browse styles like minimalist, modern, bold, elegant, okay, business. Click a, for example, template to apply it. So templates give you a professional starting point. So click the text, for example, type your brand or name, adjust font size, letter spacing, color. Okay, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.